God, look at that. You ain't kidding. On a fucking grasshopper. Yes. That's awesome. Yeah. Very first cast, right there. Little bass. That's one for the fly. Let's try it for another. Ooh. On the fly. No, you'll put it down. Especially when this shit's real thick, you'll throw it down real quick. No, I just wanted to change up the YouTube videos. Holy crap, look at that guy. Dang, he's huge. Golly. That one is big, guys. Beautiful fish. Beautiful. Oh, belly flop. Yes, that was a good one right there. Man, I thought it was a bass at first because it hit the surface real hard. Awesome. All right, let's try some more. Little warmouth. First catch of the day on the frisky frog. Using the frisky frog on the fly. See if we can. Ooh. Another one of those little warmouths. Come on, okay. There we go. Another little one. Man, those things, they hit it hard, man. Alright guys, that's it. I'm done. I hope you liked this video of fly fishing And next video is going to be the fishing tournament down in Rockport. So hopefully that goes good. Until then, subscribe, give fishes gills. Later.